So let's run down the list again of parts for my PC that I'm gonna build for my nephew, my budget PC in 2026. For storage, crucial BX500 480 gig SSD. That's one. For the processor, I'm going to be using the Ryzen 5 3600 with a cooler I had for my Ryzen, what was it? It was a Ryzen 1600. I had a Ryzen 1600, so I'm going to use this cooler on the 3600, right? Or I'm going to look at the thermals and see if I must swap out. I have a next cooler. I might have to swap that out. For RAM, I have a 16 gig kit of T-Force Vulcan Z from 16 gig at 3000 speed at CL16 DDR4. We can't afford DDR5 today in 2026, so DDR4. For the graphics card, again, I have the MSI Mech RX 5700. The RX 5700, I went a little ways back. So that's what I have for the graphics card. Should not be bad for 1080p gaming with a little Roblox, a little Fortnite, a little Apex, a little Warzone. Should be fine. And for the motherboard, I have the MSI B550 Pro Series, the VC version, right? Has in Wi-Fi in it. So that's what I'm going to use, right? So those are the parts for this build. So join me next time when I put this build together. And then after that, I'll try and see if I can actually benchmark some of these things. All right, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know about what you think about my parts list. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.